right now companies are sending their workforces home and they're doing it en masse. So they're running into a very real problem of saying, hey, how do I actually give access to all of my applications so my workers can productively work from home and do this quickly, but more importantly, also do it in a secure manner?
How are you ensuring the safety of not only your customers, but your partners?
Well, when we look at that, where a lot of the safety comes in is most people have put a lot of critical apps into the cloud. I mean, it's pretty common, Office 365, Salesforce, Box, things of that nature. But the only way you can protect who is accessing generally is with the username and password. That is your identity, telling the world of machines who you are as a person. So what we're working on right now is trying to establish some sort of multi-factor authentication. So you can use a second factor, such as a phone, text message, email, something of that nature, to truly prove your identity. So we make sure we're only letting the correct actors into that application versus some hack.
And how has it been, the scale, the magnitude of helping everyone individually have these systems in place?
Well, it's actually been a very weird challenge in the sense that, I mean, we've never seen this many people try to put new users remote. So we've really had to look at it in a three-step process of saying, what can I do to immediately help the need today? A lot of this happened last Friday, where all of a sudden a company said, I'm sending everybody home. Okay, great, let's send them home. Now what? Well, the now what is, let's just get a basic MFA put in place. Something that says, for a bunch of different apps, for the VPN, let's have one technology. Then from there, we got to come in and say, well, how do we make it better? Well, this is where we start consolidating some of these identity stores. And instead of having multiple username passwords, bring it down to one. So there's some sort of single sign-on as a technology generally. And then from there, how do we make the system work very well, make it good so it kind of works on more of an autonomous basis, and I can easily add and remove users on LinkedIn.
Well, thank you, Brian, and stay safe, all right?
Oh, I appreciate it, Jennifer. Thanks for having me on.